Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to build quality backlinks, which are one of the most powerful factors in improving your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. Not all backlinks are equal. A quality backlink is a link from trusted, authoritative, and relevant website. These links signal to Google that your content is trustworthy. One of the most popular methods is guest blogging. You write a helpful article for another blog in your industry, and in return, you earn a backlink to your site. Want others to link to you naturally? Create content that solves problems. Think in-depth guides, original research, tools, or infographics. People love to reference valuable resources. Broken link building is a smart tactic. Find broken links on websites in your niche. Reach out to the site owner and suggest your content as a replacement. The Skyscraper Technique means finding top performing content, making something even better, and reaching out to those who link to the original to link to yours. Want link from big sites like Forbes or TechCrunch? Sign up for HARO. Help a reporter out. Reply to journalist queries and get featured with backlinks. Believe it or not, strong internal linking helps support pages you are targeting for backlinks. It boosts crawlability and authority flow across your website. Another clever way to earn backlinks is by writing testimonials or case studies for products or services you have used. Many companies link back to your site in return. While building backlinks, remember focus on relevance, authority, and natural placement. Avoid shortcuts like buying links. They can lead to Google penalties. Use SEO tools to track, analyze, and manage your backlink strategy. Tools like Ahrefs, Moz, SEMrush, and BuzzSumo are excellent for this. To sum up, backlinks should be earned, not bought. Focus on creating valuable content, building relationships, and promoting your brand genuinely. Thanks for watching. If you want to master backlink strategies and boost your SEO performance, join our complete SEO course. Like this video, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more content like this.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.